To remove the third brake light, all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws holding the third brake light onto the vehicle. Once you've removed all 4 screws, pull the third brake light up off the vehicle. On the underneath side, you'll see 3 sockets. You need to twist and pull them out of the stock housing. The ANZO third brake light requires you to remove all 3 light bulbs. The pigtails on the back of the ANZO light plug right into where the light bulbs were. You want to make sure that you line the black wires up with the ground side of the plugs. This way the light will work properly. Feed the wires into the housing and twist the socket back into the place. Put the third brake light back on the vehicle, insert your screws and tighten them up. After you've tightened all the screws, you want to make sure that the product works properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.